Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and it's really exciting times right now for Tesla owners, existing and new owners, because the Model Y Juniper has landed and is now on the streets in Los Angeles, California. I believe that we're seeing them first, and I'm proud to share with you today not one, but actually two Junipers that we just finished customizing, and I'd like to get right into it for you. The number one accessory over the years that Tesla owners love to go ahead and do first to differentiate themselves from other Model Ys or other Teslas out there is to change the wheels. And you could do that with a wide range of styles and sizes that we offer by either sizing up, staying at the standard size offered by Tesla, or sizing down. Let me go over some examples with you. Here's a brand new Juniper Model Y finished in the very popular Midnight Silver Metallic. And in my opinion, this looks way better than the previous Model Y finished in this color. And on the driver's side over here, you can see that we have our satin black TSF wheels in 19-inch. This is the 19-inch size that Tesla gives you. You could use the 19-inch tires. These wheels fit perfectly. You don't need any extra mounting hardware when you buy from T-sportline, because we design our wheels to go ahead and accept the factory mounting hardware, the lug nuts. I do always recommend lug nut covers to help clean up the look, and that's an affordable option. On the passenger side over here, you can see that you have an option to size down. Yes, we make 18-inch wheels for the Model Y Juniper, just like we did for the previous Model Y. And by sizing down, you're going to go ahead and reduce the chances of having a blowout, of maybe cracking or bending or damaging a wheel, because the 18-inch tire has got a much thicker sidewall to provide a more comfortable ride, more cushion in comparison to the 19-inch. And this wheel is one of our best sellers, finished in space gray. This is TSS. Now, let's go over to this Juniper over here. This one is finished in the brand new Quicksilver color, a personal favorite of mine, and interesting to see both of these side by side and which one you like better. On the passenger side, we have sized up to a 21-inch, just like the previous performance version Model Y came with 21s. We have not seen that yet on the brand new Juniper model, but we know that it's coming. And the good thing is that the same 21-inch staggered fitment, just like the previous Model Y Performance Edition had, works perfectly on the brand new Juniper. And today we have over here our fully forged, most popular style, TY115, finished in satin black, complements the exterior color and all the trims on the car using the very popular Pirelli P0 tires. Now I have something to show you that's coming soon. This is a brand new style from T-sportline. Take a look at a sneak peek of our brand new TSH fully directional wheel. Yes, the driver's side and the passenger side are different. These are directional wheels, very much speaks the Tesla language, finished in satin black. Initially, it's going to come out in 18-inch for Model 3 and Model Y, with 19-inch to follow really soon. So this is a sneak peek. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let's get some comments below. First of all, which color is better? Midnight Silver Metallic or the brand new Quicksilver Gray? And then what do you guys think about all these different wheel styles, sizing up, sizing down, staying at 19-inch? And what about TSH? I love it. It's coming soon. Thank you for watching.